Okay, look, you can see the inflow. Holy shit. Okay, there's an exit coming up. Is it touching down?
Yeah.
Why? Look at that rotation. Ooh, baby. You want to get out?
No.
You sure?
Not positive.
Sure.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Yeah, Dad, that looks like it should gonna be a little big.
Until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Mississippi and southwestern
Dad, do not. It's literally gonna come over us.
Okay.
It's right there.
damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. At 6:03 p.m., a rain-wrapped tornado was crossing Highway 118 west of Joyner.
Those are just trucks, bro.
Okay. I'm moving down because look, it's right here. You can see it spinning.
I bet they're storm chasing it.
Holy shit.
Hey, at least we can just stay put now.
Yeah, it's gonna move that. Holy shit, look at that thing move.
Yeah.
Kaylee, can you see that?
Yeah.
Look at the rotation on that, Carly. You see that thing spinning? It's getting sucked back up now. Holy shit, we gotta find out. Oh, look at it. Wants to. Son of a bitch wants to. We gotta get a little further north.
Yeah.
I mean, we're almost clear for here.
You don't want to be that close again?
It's not bad. It's
Yep, I can see a funnel off to the left there. That was a sweet lightning bolt.
yeah, it was.
You see it, Carly?
Yep.
That other one's going to be behind it, and that's going to be a bigger one. That sucker is going to be a monster.
I'm glad we're not over there.
You can kind of already see it dropping down in the middle there.
Thank God. That one's still got to be like.
Yeah. Look at how fast those clouds are rolling. Did you just hear that? Power flashes. Christopher?
I saw it. I didn't hear it. I saw it.
Yeah, you saw. Yep.
Yep.
That's cooking all. Oh, I saw, that was one right there. So that's the big one. That is a rain wrap one. That monster. Holy hell.